Well, guys, we have another one. 2009 Saturn view, and the AC is blowing hot. Let's check it out. Well, after hooking up the gauges, we have pressure, so that tells me we have Freon in the system. Well, our pressure is a bit high on that high side under operation. As you can see, the high side pressure was going up very high, and so the system will turn itself off when the pressure gets that high. Usually when you have that, there's some kind of blockage in the system. And so we're going to start by checking pretty much the choke point of the whole system, the expansion valve. Well, I got our expansion valve off. There's no metal shavings in it. That's a good thing, because some of those compressors like to come apart, and then that metal shaving is flowing through the system and clogs it up. So that's a good sign. But these expansion valves don't like to expand sometimes and then cause a blockage. So here we are. And we're back. Got a new expansion valve. Only had to go across town to get it. But I digress. Let's just get this on the car. Time to vacuum her down. But let's see what our pressures are like now with the engine revved up. Well, I got the digital thermostat out, and 43 degrees blowing out of the vents. I think it's safe to say it's blowing cold. Well, luckily for this one, it's only the expansion valve and nothing more costly like a compressor or condenser or evaporator. But I think it's safe to say our work here is done, and so I'll see you guys on the next one.